Good morning from the New Haven Free Public Library. Today we're going to make a cute little bird character out of a pine cone. The first step for you is to go outside and find a pine cone. Try to find one that's not too damp or rotten and that is mostly intact and not missing too many of the little scales. That's what the little segments of the pine cone are called, the scales. Okay, have you gotten yourselves a really good pine cone? Time to start decorating it. Let's start off with some paint. We're not going to paint the whole entire pine cone because it would be too hard to reach all the stuff in the middle. Just paint the tips of each scale with a bright color. I'm using some shimmery gold paint. It looks alright, but it's not quite sparkly enough for me. Let's paint on some clear glue and then sprinkle some gold glitter on there. There we go, much better. Our bird also needs a face and wings, which we're going to make out of felt. Cut a little heart shape for the face and a half circle or teardrop shape for the wings. We're also going to make some little bird feet out of pipe cleaners. Now it's time to assemble all the different bird pieces. First, glue on the face and the wings, and then the pipe cleaner feet. You can wedge them in between the pinecone scales so that they stay in place. We also want some nice big googly eyes so our bird can see what he's doing, and some brightly colored feathers on top of his head so that he can feel pretty. Our last little touch is an orange beak. And we're all finished! Here's Mr. Bird! I sure hope nobody minds him getting glitter all over everything wherever he goes. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for making this craft with me. And don't forget to check out our other videos and programs. You can click the link below to see our calendar. Thank you. See you next time.